Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next at acer Global Press Conference. The event will begin in 1 minute. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Acer Chairman and CEO, Jason Chen.
Good morning, everyone, and hello, Berlin. We are very happy to be back. At Acer, we have always believed in breaking the barrier, especially in ones between people and technology. 4 years ago, in 2021, we took a bold step forward. We introduced a new kind of hero product, not just in performance, but in purpose. The product, we call it Vero. Vero is not just a brand. It was a promise to design, produce, deliver, repair, and recycle with much lower carbon footprint. We focus our energy, our innovation, our belief in a better future to make the technology possible. And today, I'm proud to share now the Vero concept has been infused across Acer's total product offering. I'm pleased to share that we achieved 60% renewable electricity in our global operation, ahead of our target by 1 year. We committed to RE100 by 2035, and we do have a milestone check every year, and now we are 1 year ahead. And since 2020, more than 50 million computers and monitors has been made with recycled plastic. We know the journey is not easy, and we continue to push forward. Beyond RE100, we are targeting net zero by 2050. Every milestone brings us together, closer, and we won't stop until sustainability is part of every Acer experience. advancing the sustainability logistic worldwide. We are cutting shipping-related CO2 emissions through new fuels, marine, aviation, EV. We do everything possible to reduce CO2 emission. Beyond this advancement and achievement, acer has been earned lots of recognitions around the world. But we will not just meet standards. We always believe that humanity at our heart. Now it's my pleasure to introduce a gentleman who has been with us for a long-term friend of mine, and working with acer on this humanity sustainability effort. Let's welcome Mr. Michael Birkin. Michael. Michael, you are so gentleman. Look so nice today.
I thought I'd dress up as I was seeing you. It's always a pleasure, as you know. Jason, listening to that, it's remarkable to see how far we've come under your stewardship. I remember a few years back, you challenged me to say, how can we make acer an even...
I remember that conversation.
Yeah.
What did you think of when we talk about acer?
Yeah, I think it was in Boston, actually. And you said, how can we make acer a more aspirational brand? And I said, well, it fits with the whole DNA of the organization to corner the whole concept of humanity.
Humanity.
And that's when we created and launched Project Humanity to make sure that every acer decision reflects its impact on all aspects sustainable and certainly on climate. And it's for sure delivered amazing results. I know in a moment you're going to be talking a little bit about some of the accomplishments of Project Humanity, but it's very important to remember that it isn't just something that we launched out of nowhere. It's just the most recent stage of a journey that acer has been on its whole 50 years. And while sustainability sometimes falls in and out of the public agenda, certainly over the last 18 months, AI has perhaps overwhelmed it a little bit. We keep making progress, and for us, it's not just a fashionable thing. It's the backbone of everything that we do.
We'll be very persistent on this sustainability topic.
Exactly. We're driven by what's right, not what's just a fashionable thing for the moment. So also, I think, and as this slide shows, that Project Humanity is very much a project that's geared around engaging our own employees. But as we'll talk about in a moment, we've moved it beyond that to suppliers and partners, our customers, and the wider society. But first things first, Jason, why don't you let us know what you've been up to since we were last on stage together?
Well, Michael, since we share the stage, Project Humanity has now reached over 70% plus countries, engaged more than 85% of our employees, and benefit more than 20,000 people. It's reduced more than 2,800 CO2s.
That's amazing progress.
But beyond those numbers, there are real stories of changes, whether it's helping communities in Philippines or Texas, Spain, in many other places. Project Humanity moved toward helping real people. And then, as you already mentioned, we have moved beyond Project Humanity itself and extended over our vision and brand value to our partners, suppliers, to our customers, and in the end, the global society.
That's right, and as you can see on the slide here, the Earthium project has extended our impact to acer suppliers and partners, where we collaborate on a number of sustainable design projects and overall carbon reductions. And then beyond that, the Earth Mission app has been launched, where we're scaling behavior change with an online platform.
The Earth Mission, we call it Earthing project.
The Earthing project. And again, this isn't just at acer itself, but to all our partners and our wider stakeholders and communities. And right now, we have around 16,000 users, and already around 1.7 million sustainable actions that have been completed on the Earth Mission app. But to me, something that is quite remarkable and unique is certainly unique in the industry is the launch of the Climate Lab.
Climate Lab, that we've been working together.
Exactly, something that we invented ourselves, you and I, and as a physical space where we can experiment, and also a virtual space, envisaging a low-carbon future with conscious technology. We worked on this just ahead of COP28, and we launched the Climate Lab at COP, where we announced how we were taking conscious technology global and leveraging acer businesses to provide climate solutions across the fields of learning, living, working, and moving, the whole acer ecosystem that is demonstrated on this slide.
This commitment to humanity is what continues to guide acer in our next steps. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for guiding us all together. I look forward to continue to work with you. Thank you,
Always
Michael.
a pleasure, Jason. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
With people at heart, conscious technology takes us to the next frontier, artificial intelligence, AI. For acer, AI is not just a tool, it's a responsibility. It must be human-centric, trustworthy, and responsible. We are embedding AI into every layer, hardware, software, service, building an ecosystem that is responsible from day one, just as we have done with sustainability. For nearly 50 years, we have broken barriers between people and technology, and now we are breaking barriers between people and AI. Make it accessible, safe, and valuable. And speaking of AI, let's begin with ChromeOS. Let me share this great news. Last year, we are the #1 Chromebook brand in both consumer and commercial market in US and EMEA. Today, we offer a complete ChromeOS portfolio in different formats. We have Chrome portfolio that's right for you, whether that's in tablet, in desktop, in all-in-one, in laptops. Now help me to share more ChromeOS devices and Gemini AI. Let's hear from John Solomon from Google. Let's look at the video.
Hi, Jason. Thanks for the warm introduction. You know, I'm disappointed that I can't join you in person like I did last year, but I'm also really honored that the acer team invited me to provide a quick video. Acer and ChromeOS have had a long-running partnership, and our partnership has never been stronger. In fact, acer has been the #1 ChromeOS OEM in the consumer segment since back in 2022. And acer continually impresses the market with its innovation and amazing products. And you can see the strength of our partnership in the amazing products we're delivering for our customers, such as the upcoming acer Chromebook Plus. Now, I need to take a minute to talk about Google AI and Gemini. We're living through an exciting and transformative time with AI, I'm sure you would agree. And Google and ChromeOS are leading the way with innovation that is meaningful to our customers and our partners like acer. As our CEO, Sundar Pichai, puts it, we're in the AI era. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but it is now ubiquitous, and it's a transformative force, getting integrated into all aspects of our lives, from how we learn, how we get informed, and how we get things done. There has been unprecedented innovation in AI from Google, happening at breakneck pace, with recent announcements around Gemini 2.5 Pro, and Veo 3 and Notebook LM. Amazing products, you should try them if you haven't already, as well as the continuing and growing popularity of features like Circle to Search. AI is a step change for a whole host of new experiences and better existing experiences. The Gemini app now has more than 450 million monthly active users, and it's growing fast. Thousands of school districts across the US and globally have access to Gemini for Education and Notebook LM through their Chromebooks, and they're really appreciating the benefits of AI. We are super excited to have Gemini pre-installed on our consumer Chromebook line and available to our commercial users. Chromebook Plus is the laptop for Google AI, and we're very excited about the innovation we're driving on this product to deliver more transformative user experiences and really fundamentally change what users can accomplish with their devices. And it's working. Chromebook Plus devices have higher usage and higher user satisfaction scores relative to standard Chromebooks. We're extremely excited about our partnership with Acer and the phenomenal lineup of Acer Chromebook Plus devices, bringing the best Gemini experience on a laptop to users at a variety of price points. It's not just me saying it. Wirecutter from the New York Times recently named the Acer Chromebook Plus 514 the very best Chromebook. I couldn't have said it better myself. And I'm really pleased and excited for one of the most advanced Chromebook Plus devices ever that Acer will debut today, delivering AI-enhanced productivity with Google AI features. Congratulations on the amazing launch. We thank you for this great partnership.
Also, thank you to John. Now let's talk about our exciting Chromebook Plus product and how we shape the future together with Google. Let's see another video. Hi, Valerie.
Hi, Jason.
Great to meet you at the stage again.
It's an honor for me to be on stage with you again.
What exciting Chromebook are we going to see today?
First, good morning, everyone. It's great to see you all back in Berlin. And today, I'm very proud to announce the latest bijou, as we say in French, from Acer, the Chromebook Plus Spin 514.
How do you say beautiful in French?
Well, you say beau.
Book. All right.
But here I say bijou, which is jewel.
Jewel.
So actually, it's the first Acer Chromebook Plus equipped with a 50 TOPS NPU, enabling the new Chromebook Plus on-device AI features like smart grouping or image generation. Here you go. With its active cooling system, this device delivers up to 10% better performance versus competition. And if you want a gorgeous display, you can go for the optional 2.8K version. Finally, let me take it back. I just want to show something. At 15.5 millimeter,
Thin.
this is the thinnest Chromebook that Acer has ever built. But now, moving from thin to light.
Light.
Thank you. So here we go. For those who were here 7 years ago, you probably remember we announced right here at IFA the latest Windows laptop. And since then, we've continuously delivered on that promise of ultralight devices. And the latest was probably the Swift Edge at Computex. But today, we have a new addition. The new Acer Swift Air 16. You can see.
Swift Air 16.
So weighing less than 1 kilo, you can work with your Swift Air anywhere. The 16-inch display offers an amazing screen-to-body ratio and the OLED option will provide you with stunning visuals. Its magnesium aluminum alloy chassis will give you elegance and protection. And finally, the AMD Ryzen AI 7 350 series processor will give you the next level performance.
So this Acer Swift Air 16 is the lightest and the Copilot Plus features. To the mainstream market, we are very excited to take the thin and light to the mainstream market.
You got it all. And talking about Copilot Plus PC, let's have a look at our newcomer on the commercial side. We have a video.
Travel Man. Great. Looks like a very nice design.
Yeah, well, indeed. Well, as you mentioned earlier, Jason, we design and build products to break barriers between people and technology. And we channel that through all of our products. And a great example is that device, the TravelMate X414 AI, which is tailored for small and medium businesses.
Commercial use, but many focus on SMB.
Exactly. So we built this notebook for businesses that require secure, stable, and powerful devices. So it's light, yet ruggedized.
Light and ruggedized.
It's coming with a software suite that gives SMB manageability and security. So we talk about ruggedized. It comes with military-grade durability.
Well, it's actually military-grade.
Indeed. Light, it's less than 1.3 kilos, and it's below 16 millimeters. It's future-proof with up to 115 total TOPS AI performance with Intel Core Ultra series. It includes Copilot Plus PC features like live caption or co-creator. And finally, it offers an OLED display with TÜV Blue Light certification. You want to take a look?
It's a beautiful machine. Speaking of Copilot Plus PC, with all this great feature, let me introduce Mark Linton to share more about Microsoft's latest innovation. Mark.
Nice job.
Good luck.
Mark, how
Jason,
you
good
doing?
to see you.
Take a look at our new system.
Wow,
Let's
that
share
is
with your Copilot PC.
That is a beautiful device. Businesses are lucky to have it, especially if you're a road warrior. They're ruggedized, but still thin and light. Great performance. Well done. Congratulations, Jason and the team. All right, hello everyone. Mark Linton from Microsoft. It's great to be here. Thank you to Team Acer, and thank you for all the partnership and innovation that we're bringing to the market together.
It's been a long-term partnership.
Long-term partnership.
Working together.
And you know, Copilot Plus PCs, we've been on this journey for about 18 months, but you may not know that Windows is going to turn 40 here in November. We have 1.4 billion customers around the world that rely on Windows every day, and a huge opportunity, again, to reinvent the platform now.
Think about that, it's been 40 years. Time flies.
Absolutely. So we're seeing incredible momentum with Copilot Plus PCs, and that move to AI. And it's with partnerships like our partnership with Acer, with Intel and our silicon partners, that we make this happen. And as you think about Copilot Plus PCs, we have on-device capability and also AI in the cloud. As an example here, we recently launched Copilot Vision, where you can have the Copilot agent understand what you're doing on the PC, and when you want to go, hey, I'm using Clipchamp, I want to put a movie together in a seamless way, instead of going out of the app to the web to search for solutions, Copilot Vision can seamlessly do that for you right in your flow. And that Copilot Vision capability is coming to European markets shortly. So we're really in a world where we have cloud-powered capability as well as on-device capability with Copilot Plus. And we have amazing ISVs that are taking advantage of this capability as well.
So it's a whole ecosystem with software providers as well.
Exactly. So the NPU, that 40 TOPS plus NPU on board, can help ISVs offload AI capability to the PC. It's faster, it's less latency, customers love having control, and that ISV application lights up with capability because you've got one of the Copilot Plus PCs in your hands. And we have ISVs from all the way from Adobe to Zoom developing on the platform, which is great to see that level of support. It will only get stronger as we see the AI PCs continue to increase in mix. And so, of course, ISVs are really important, but we focused today on the hardware, and you saw some great examples from Jason and the team, and I know there's more to come. We're seeing customers in the millions upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and they're doing that right now to get modern, to get more productive, to have better performance, and of course, security as well.
Very important.
So Windows 11 was built with security from the ground up, from the silicon to the cloud, to combat modern threats. And we're really pleased on how the Windows 10 refresh is happening and customers are getting value from Windows 11. And really, Windows is a canvas of possibilities. It's built to empower every customer, every partner, and every possibility. It's a platform where innovation comes to life, allowing customers to create, be productive, and collaborate together. Microsoft and Acer have had such a long, decades-long partnership in terms of building technology, innovation, and new capabilities. I'm excited to be here today. I'm excited to see what's coming in the show. I know you are as well. And I just say thank you as we think about building not just Windows 11 PCs, we're shaping the future of intelligent AI-powered computing. Jason, thank you again. It's great to be here.
Thank you, Mark. Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you from
Thanks, everyone.
Microsoft. It's impossible to make this happen without the partnership with Microsoft. It's a great story from Microsoft. Organizations across the world trust Acer's TreableMate series to help them operate, from fashion to manufacturing to entertainment and healthcare. Acer TreableMate is empowering organizations across the industry to collaborate, security, innovate faster, and deliver more meaningful impact worldwide basis. The beating heart of the TreableMate is Intel Core Ultra processor. I'm proud to invite Jim Johnson, my long-term friend from Intel, to join me on the stage. Hello, Jim.
Wow, you continue to outdo it. What a venue, what an event. You know, time flies. For those of you here last year, together we launched our Series 2 processor called Lunar Lake on Acer devices and busted the myth of power efficiency on x86.
It's been already a year.
Yeah.
A lot of things happened, but it feels like only yesterday.
Then we jumped to CES and we launched the next set of Series 2 processors called Arrow Lake, enabling TravelMate and Predator and many other devices. And now we're gearing up to launch our next processor, Panther Lake.
Panther Lake.
All new cores, a beefed up GPU in a class all of its own, longer battery life, and faster AI. And you know what's impressed me the most is your team's advancement in hardware and software co-engineering in the last 2 years, coupled with our AI capabilities and compute capabilities. We're unleashing experiences we didn't dream of in 2023.
Yep, Jerry, we are talking about your team.
Yeah. So instead of talking about it, I hear you have something you might want to show.
Yes, of course. We have the next generation of Swift PCs, that is Swift 16 AI, that will be launched very, very soon. We have been working with your team on this product for a year, and it's running Panther Lake.
Yeah. This is the first Panther Lake we've talked about on stage. Again, you lead the way.
Here we go.
It's a beautiful machine, and I can't wait until we launch this product together. It's going to become the playground for unbelievable creativity and creation using AI tools and new hardware.
Fantastic, fantastic. You're right. I'm particularly excited about bringing in Gen AI into the local devices and to enable users to have an out-of-box experience with AI.
You know, not only using AI to do things better, your team and our team wanted to do things new. And we wanted to find an easy way to bring AI agents and agentic AI onto the local PC. And so we co-defined something called AI Assistant Builder that we provide the platform for Acer.
Talking about Assistant Builder, our team is leveraging your team on the Assistant Builder to create the new AI use case on the PCs.
Yeah, and we already have the workflows for image generation and agent creation and change in the background, already running in your lab and in our lab. We're providing the base platforms, and you innovate on top of it.
Recently, Intel also added MCP support. Can you talk about how it works? How does it help the industry?
Yeah, so we both believe in local AI, but what the MCP, or Model Content Protocol, enables is a server and services so you can use your local data and then go out to the web and get things done. And so, for example, if you and I are traveling, we can use our local data from our calendar and subject matter, but then use APIs to book our travel, book our rooms, book our hotels.
Sounds very good.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Thank you for being here. And thank you for all the effort working with us. Thank you very much, Jim.
Thank you so much. It's always an honor to be here, brother.
All right, good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Now let's take a look at the next generation product powered by Intel, Swift 16 AI.
Okay.
Swift 16 AI.
Indeed. Our upcoming Acer Swift 16 AI will be one of the first laptops to adopt Intel next generation codename
Panther Lake.
Thank you. I hope the audience is following. So it's boosting creativity and designed for people co-creating with the power of AI, and we're rethinking the way we interact with technology. So this device comes with the largest integrated touchpad, indeed, and gives creator a digital canvas. So think about it, Jason. Instead of using your fingers on the touch screen, you can use the stylus for more precise control over your visual prompts or anything else. And on top, it has a refined, elegant, slimmer chassis with a 16-inch OLED color accuracy display. One last thing. You see that keyboard? Well, we redesigned the keyboard and offer larger keys and per-key backlighting.
Wonderful. This is the first 16-inch AI PC less than 1 kg. Thank you very much, Valerie. And now it's gaming time. Song.
Good morning.
Welcome to join me on the stage. Our big gamer Song. Are you a real gamer?
Yeah, I am. So I'm happy to share what's coming next for Acer Gaming. So this is the new Nitro XZ403 CKR curved gaming monitor. It's coming with a 39.7-inch curved 5K wide Ultra HD display. It can switch from 180 Hz to 288 Hz ultra wide Full HD, depending on your preferences. No matter if you need highest frame rates for FPS shooters or prefer highly immersive gaming or movie experience. This is really getting you. So it also has ultra-fast 0.5 milliseconds reaction time, which ensures zero motion blur and competitive frame rates. And the AMD FreeSync Premium will provide tear-free and stutter-free performance.
I have to tell you, this machine is not for everybody. This is a high-end display.
Yes.
And talking about high-end display, for gamers, we need high-end gaming PC as well.
Exactly. Let's bring in the Nitro 70. Give us a minute. We have to change a little bit to be on the secure side. Here it is. So let me introduce the powerful Nitro experience yet. It's the Acer Nitro 70. It's coming with an AMD Ryzen 9 9950X 3D processor that is fully overclockable to squeeze out every bit of performance. Paired with Nvidia's GeForce RTX 1590 GPU, which delivers an AI-enhanced...
1590 is the top end.
Yeah, it's top end. And that is really enhancing a gaming experience incredibly. All that performance comes with a lot of feed. That's why we've did our Cyclone X360 fan, which boosts cooling up to 15%.
We have to emphasize every time when talk about gaming, our thermal technology that will be able to cool down the system, even using the same top-end, really high-end GPU, CPUs.
Yes. So for those who remember, Valerie introduced the Cyclone X360 for the Predator Orion 7000 last year. We are now bringing this technology to the next generation of Nitro PCs. Our innovative design removed the wall between each fan and manages to create a seamless flow channel across those 3 alternate spinning fans.
So how many fans?
Yeah, 3 in the Cyclone and then 1 additional in the back.
So totally 4 fans
Yes,
we're talking about to cool down the system.
And as Jason mentioned earlier, we are continuing the Vero journey across every product category. That means we are proud to share that the Nitro 70 is crafted with 65% PCR material in its plastic parts.
We heard you gamers, sustainability is critical as well. So we build in the Vero concept into the gaming PC as well.
Exactly. And we are not stopping here, right?
Let's see what else we have.
We have the 70, but we also have the 50, and you will get a view on it in the showcase. But now let's move from Nitro to our hottest announcement of Predator.
Predator. Yes, let's take a look. Look at this. The Predator notebook.
Beautiful, isn't it? So the Predator Helios 18P AI is purpose-built for professionals who demand high-performance computing in a portable setup that is ideal for AI developers, content creators, and gamers who are looking for a device for both work and play.
Both work and play.
Yeah. And it's powered by workstation-grade Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 285HX with Intel vPro and 192 GB ECC memory that handles everything from AAA titles to AI inferencing. The Nvidia GeForce RTX 1590 laptop GPU delivers impressive 1,824 TOPS AI performance.
So top-end CPU, top-end GPU.
Yes. And it's coming with an 80-inch 4K mini LED display.
Super cool.
Yes, and you know what? What's also very cool? Our 6th Gen Aeroblade 3D fan. It's featuring the world's thinnest 0.05 millimeter metal blade, which increases airflow by 20%.
Top-end CPU, top-end GPU generate a lot of heat. We need our fan to cool it down.
Yes.
Thank you, Thank you, Song. Thank you for bringing all these exciting machines to us. Not yet, but in between, let's look at EFG.
Exactly.
Hi, Rodrigo from EFG.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hi, Jason. Thank you. Thank you for having me. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm Rodrigo Samuel. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at ESL Faceit Group, and we are the largest...
EFG is ESL
and
Faceit Group.
Yes.
Okay.
And we are the largest esports company in the world.
You are.
Yes. We, every year, millions of fans visit our live tournaments.
It's about excitement, it's about passion.
Yes, our festivals, and then play online on our digital platform. And this is what makes esports such a great platform for all brands to partner with, because we create this engagement 365 days a year. And we love to build partnerships, such as the one with Acer and
yes,
and Intel.
There we go.
We love to build partnerships with brands that understand really gamers and understand
we understand gamers.
Yes, absolutely. And so the partnership allows us to basically bring esports to the next level, help pro players in their journey, and fans alike. And so for the last many years, I think the partnership with Intel as well, the Intel Extreme Masters has been the longest lasting series of tournaments for more than 20 years. And it's not only the largest, but the most recognized. It defined the standard for esports all over the world. And the same hardware that is now powering the pro players at these large events that we create is the same that is available for fans at home, thanks to Acer and Intel.
Both players and the fans.
Yes, absolutely. So for me, Jason, the Orion 7000...
Orion 7000.
Is not just another piece of hardware, a very powerful hardware, is a link between those professional athletes and the fans. It brings together the gaming community like never before, and that's super important. So
bring the whole community together.
Yes, and so I want actually to say thank you to you and Intel and to Acer. So on behalf of all the millions of fans out there that we have, because basically you allow us to bring esports to the next level, and you allow now for all the fans to experience at home the same performance that the pro players experience on stage on our competitions. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and I would welcome all of you. I think you should go to the demo area afterwards, experience the raw power, the same hardware that the pro players experience the power and precision. This is truly the future of esports, but as well as the future of competitive gaming at home. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rodrigo. We are very proud and very excited to be the official IEM PC partner. And now, let's look at Predator Orion 7000. Predator Orion 7000, what a powerful monster. Song, you're back here.
Yes, I'm back. And we are so proud that the Orion 7000 is the certified gaming PC of the IEM. And now we would like to introduce the next generation of the Orion 7000 that lets you play like a real pro. So, by working with the EFG and Intel, we fine-tuned the Orion 7000 to pro level. The new Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 285K with Intel 200S boost together with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 5090 GPU ensure maximum performance. And also with the Predator Cyclone X360 fan that boosts up 15% of cooling, it's incredibly strong.
Well, we will always talk about the fan capability that we provide. How many fans in this machine?
Same as well. You have 3 in the front and 1 in the back.
In total,
Perfect.
4 in total.
Yeah. And by using 65% PCR for plastic parts, we are following through on our Vero philosophy too.
And right along the 7000, we have Orion 5000
yes,
as well.
the Orion 5000, I forgot that one, yeah. And yeah, by announcing our new gaming lineup, we are breaking the barriers between professional gaming and everyday players, empowering everyone to play like a real pro.
Professional player, fans, and casual gamers, all you can enjoy this machine. Thank you, Song.
Thank you
very much. With this powerful new lineup, we are redefining what gaming can be, making the pro-level performance and AI-driven experience accessible to every player. Now, let's talk about AI. Acer is breaking AI barriers in multiple applications. And few people know about the power of AI than my next guest from Nvidia. Allow me to invite Adam Ford from Nvidia to join me on the stage. Adam.
Hi, good morning. Good
How are
morning,
you,
Jason.
Adam?
I'm good, thank you. It's an absolute pleasure to be back here at Acer's Global Press Conference and to be back on stage with you, Jason, and being able to talk about Nvidia and Acer's collaborations. So I want to start off by talking about graphics and AI. I think we can all agree that undoubtedly Nvidia is the leader when it comes to graphics and AI, and that puts us in a unique position that allows us to combine these two together and take gaming to another level. And we do that with something called DLSS. Now, I'm sure you've all heard of DLSS. We're now in our 4th iteration, and it's a combination of multiple different functions and features, such as ray reconstruction, MFG, multi-frame generation, reflex, super resolution, and we combine these features together to increase frames per second, better image quality, and reducing latency. And gamers use this technology. In fact, over 90% of RTX owners, GeForce RTX owners, turn on these features within their game. And the reason they do this is for one very simple reason. It gives them a fantastic gaming experience. So let me give you an example of that. So this is a game you've all heard of, so the fantastic new Doom, the Dark Ages, from the guys at id. And I've got a side-by-side here. So on one side, I'm running this game
a little bit blur.
Well, yeah, I'm running the game as native on one side, and on the other side, I have all of NVIDIA's features turned on. When I say native, what I mean by that is essentially none of our features, so just using the basic GPU, so using the performance of the GPU. And I've normalized performance to 1x, and as I say, I think the first thing you can see on this image is if we look at the reflection, it isn't particularly good. There's not a lot of detail in there, it's a bit blurry, and in motion it's even worse. But on the other side, when you look at when DLSS 4 is being used, it's completely different. First of all, what stands out is the performance.
Much more clear.
Yeah, well, the performance first, right, Jason?
Yes,
so seven times the performance. Incredible. It's taken you
7 times more.
7 times. It's taken you from a game that's kind of sort of playable to an incredibly high frame rate, super fast, super smooth. But Jason, exactly as you said, right? Look at the image quality, right?
Yep.
It's another level. It's crisp, it's clear, it's much more detailed. And that brings me perfectly on to talk about our collaboration. You've already announced these two products, so the Predator Orion 7000 and the Acer Nitro 70, two fantastic desktop PCs, incredible cooling capabilities, and they both use the RTX 5090 GPU. This is our top performing GPU, and it gives you the best possible gaming performance using all the NVIDIA features. But it isn't just about AI and gaming. NVIDIA is actually known for using AI in other parts of our business as well. And I want to talk very quickly about a new platform that we've been working on, the GB10 Grace Blackwell Superchip. Now, I think we can all agree that AI has changed gaming. In fact, I think AI has changed the world. And what we want to do is create a platform that is going to be part of the next wave of AI innovation and AI native computing for everyone. And I think we can do that with the GB10. Incredible performing chip. So up to 1 petaflop of AI performance.
1 petaflops.
At FP4, incredible. A huge amount of memory, so 128 gig of unified memory. It uses the Blackwell architecture for the GPU, and it has a 20-core ARM CPU, and we connect these two together with a...
That's a lot of cores.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And we connect these two together with a really fast bus that we call NVLink C2C. But I think what's most important about this platform is the fact that it has support for our full NVIDIA software stack, AI software stack. And what that means is that it allows developers to have access to the largest AI ecosystem in the world. Now, we have enabled our partners this chip, and Jason, I'm really excited to see what you guys have planned for us.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you for sharing. Now we are proud to announce our newest product with Nvidia, the all-new acer Veriton GN100 AI mini workstation. Hi, Valerie. You are back with our next generation AI mini workstation.
Exactly. So, as AI becomes more and more part of our everyday work, the tools we use need to keep up to speed. And the acer Veriton GN100 AI mini workstation is engineered to support complex AI models, real-time graphic rendering, and heavy data processing. So all in all, this new mini AI workstation features an Nvidia GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip that boosts up to 1 petaflops of FP4 AI performance. It is scalable. With 2 systems connected together, it runs AI models with up to 405 billion parameters. It supports Connect 7 networking for high-speed, low-latency training. And finally, it runs on Nvidia DGX OS, and the AI software stack offers streamlined model development. So basically, as AI model will run much more efficiently, this opens door to stunning results for advanced application. This device can help passionate developers, professional studios, small businesses, research centers, and university labs to make a real leap in their future. And all of this in the palm of your hand.
In the palm of the hand, we are very proud to offer this best-in-class next-generation AI workstation. And now let's turn to another area where AI makes a better life, the healthcare.
Cheers.
I'm delighted to welcome Dr. Alan Lien, who leads acer Medical. Alan brings a unique experience that he actually practiced a long time, medical service in Africa, and then back to Taiwan, went to US, multicultural, mixed, multiple language. Let's welcome Dr. Lien to share with us what he has today. Alan.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Good
Hallelujah.
morning, everyone. Yes. Yeah, I'm so excited today that we want to actually introduce our new product. But before that, we want to talk about...
Wait. You have this?
Oh,
Berlin.
I purchased this just to show you how enjoyable I am here
That's
in
wonderful.
Berlin.
That's wonderful.
Yes. Yes. So before we talk about the solution, we want to first talk about the challenge that all mankind is facing. Chronic disease. When you look at the list here, these diseases are responsible for 3/4 of global death. By 2030, it's estimated that we're all going to spend $47 trillion on these diseases. But what's more devastating is that the trend is not going to go away. It's going to get worse because of global aging here. By 2050, it's estimated that 1/6 of the global population will be beyond 65-year-old. And what's even worse is the global shortage of healthcare personnel. Whether it's doctors, specialists, nurses, we are not going to produce or generate enough of healthcare personnel to treat us. So Acer Medical is trying to do something about it.
That sounds overwhelming. What does it look like in the daily life of being a doctor?
Yeah, so why there's a shortage of doctors? Because their life is really difficult. When you look at this, before treating a patient, the doctor needs to review the medical chart and summarize it. And once the patient walks into the clinic, the doctor has to type and record everything. After the patient left the clinic, the doctor still have to go through a lot of administration work.
That's a lot of paperwork that we have not seen.
So that's why they don't have time for bathroom or lunch. And not to mention their time to interact properly with the patient. So they really need some help. But with all this paperwork I just mentioned...
You know what? You have my empathy.
Yes. So with all the paperwork that I just mentioned, it all could be assisted by AI. So that's why we are launching this AI Med. But before that, I want to mention what Acer Medical has been doing now, so far. We have medical device, ARC 1000. That's for the diabetic patient to do their routine fundus exam.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Acer does not just do PCs and displays. We do have medical devices.
Yeah, from medical device, we move on to software as medical device. In the middle, you can see that these software are
both hardware and software.
Yeah, empowered by AI that can help specialists like orthopedic, cardiovascular surgeon, neurosurgeon, ophthalmologist in diagnosis. But now we are moving on to this third one, AI Med. That is a generative AI that can help assist the whole healthcare system.
This is new, using generative AI.
Yes. AI Med is a generative AI system that transforms voice or type input into structured medical records in real time. I will show you the example in a minute. Okay, why this AI Med? Why this generative AI? Because look at this at your right-hand side.
That's transcript. Yeah. It looks like an eye chart test.
Please don't even bother to read it. That will hurt your eyes. But I just want to showcase this is a transcript done by a nutritionist after having 30 minutes of interview with a diabetic patient. And the nutritionist had to take down what the patient eats and whether they eat sugar in the black tea, what's the portion of hamburger they eat. And after this, they spend tons of time trying to decipher and make it into a structured medical record. But what's the problem? The problem lies in this mixture of multilingual speech. Because in a lot of countries, we have official language, we have dialects, we have medical jargon, we have also self-invented abbreviations. We have good English, broken English, and all this could not be recognized by an ordinary AI. You need to have a very sophisticated one in order to decipher it and make it into a structured medical record.
That's very true. You know, when the casual conversation going on in the clinic, people do talk to doctors, like in Taiwan, both Taiwanese, Mandarin, and English all mixed together.
Yeah, there's a lot of mixture, and even the self-invented abbreviation that's only understood locally. So within one click, within few seconds, this cluster of random transcript will be transformed into this one.
Oh, it's much more readable.
You have nutrition diagnosis. This patient is lack of fiber, not fiber insufficiency. And we already give intervention recommendation. And even a tons of score has been given. The scoring of food diversity, scoring of fat control, and also a nutrition care goal setting is already given within seconds. That actually saved 90 minutes of that poor nutritionist.
That sounds wonderful. And this compare the left to right, we just saw, you can see the material difference and material impacts that this software will be able to do.
Yes, so actually Acer Medical is having a vision, not only trying to make our patient healthier, but we actually go to the source. We want to help doctor, nurses, and the healthcare system healthy.
The medical personnel's work to be true medical related other than paperwork.
Yeah, so we envision a future that is where human AI can partner together to deliver a quality, scalable healthcare for all.
Thank you, Alan, for showing us the frontier of AI medical solutions, showing how much we can improve the patient outcome and save doctors' time. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you, thank you.
We just explored how AI is transforming healthcare. Now let me raise a question. What's on the mind of many CEOs today? How to become an AI-ready organization? In a recent study, we found almost 70% CEOs believe that generative AI will transform how their company create values. Another study indicates only very few percent, only 1% CEOs that believe that they have reached the maturity needed to capture the real impact. We're just focusing on responsible AI. We are emphasizing many areas like clean data management, fortified data security, supercharged productivity tool, and resilience operation. All of this working together build trust, and trust is the foundation for AI readiness. Let me introduce you to our acer digital office powered by acer AI agent. Let's start with a simple example. Our digital office with human and AI agents. Just image 10 AI agents, each responsible for a different role. Now let me ask one of them, quality. Hi, Q. You are the quality control person. Could you tell us how manual helped the manufacturing process?
In the manufacturing division, Manu, our AI agent, has transformed the quality control process. Previously, each case required an average of 15 minutes of manual review and verification. By integrating Manu into the workflow, that process now takes just 15 seconds.
From 15 minutes to 15 seconds, that's a great improvement, a good, big difference. Your manager must be happy about it. What does it mean to the organization, Q?
Manu autonomously handles the repetitive, rules-based checks, ensuring speed, consistency, and accuracy at scale. This allows skilled employees to focus their attention on higher-value activities, innovation, complex problem-solving, and strategic decision-making. The result is a huge increase in processing efficiency, coupled with a measurable rise in employee satisfaction. Freed from routine tasks, team members report greater engagement, improved morale, and more meaningful contributions to the company's long-term objectives.
Thank you, Q. That's a great example of AI making work faster, smarter, and more meaningful. From 15 minutes down to 15 seconds. That's more than 60 times boost in productivity. From our value lab, Acer is proud to bring AI application across various industries: transportation, manufacturing, banking, retail, semiconductor, and as you have just heard, medical. Today, we began our commitment to ESG and humanity. We introduce AI-ready hardware that is powerful and sustainable, software that supports healthcare and business productivity, and services with AI agents that help organizations to become truly AI-ready and be responsible AI. All start with people at the center. At Acer, we will continue to create technology that is innovative, responsible, sustainable for the future. Be AI ready, be responsible, be secure, be sustainable, be with Acer. Thank you for all your time, your attention. We will see you next time. And the best is yet to come. Thank you very much. Thank you.